Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be learning about microorganisms. Definition: an organism which cannot be seen by naked eyes, it only can be seen by microscope, is called as microorganism. Types of microorganisms: there are bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa and viruses. Bacteria are unicellular, air, soil and water, simple in structure. Algae. Algae are unicellular or multicellular. It is present in moist soil like rock and soil. They have cell walls. They have no roots, no shoot or no leaves. Fungi. Unicellular or multicellular. There are plants like Claustropast is not there. They get food from plants and animals' waste. Protozoa. They are unicellular, fresh water and salt water. Viruses. They are borderline between living and non-living. In living things, there are inside host and in numbers. In non-living things, it is outside the host, inactive and no activity. Let's study the usage of microorganism. It can be used to make curd and bread. Medical uses of a microorganism: increasing soil fertility, cleaning the environment, vaccines, commercial production of alcohol and wines. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe to Ekraftgeeks.